Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change billing info in Shop app. So you can change your payment method and shipping address as well. So if you want to change payment method, you simply need to go onto your account tab in Shop, and then you need to tap the account menu. Once you click on that, you simply need to click on settings and click on payment method. Then in the next step, you simply need to add a card. Tap the plus icon, enter your card details, and then save card. So if you want to delete a credit card, tap on the credit card you like to delete, and then you need to tap on the delete. And to change the billing address on existing card, you need to delete and then you are add your card. And this is the process how you can update your shipping address from your account. Tap in Shop, tap the account menu. In tap account menu settings and go into the shipping address. And to edit the address, you simply need to click on manage addresses and tap on the address that you would like to change. Edit the fields that you need and then tap save address. So this is the process that you need to follow to change billing info in Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.